Hey guys, this is Ryan the Geeky Veep. We're going to continue on with our pivot table series here. Today we're going to talk about filters and slicers. So let's go ahead and get started. Here I've already created a pivot table. This is from another video that I had. This is loan production. And we have the months down in the row labels and the years across here. So let me show you some of the basic filtering capabilities you have. Really, anywhere you see this little drop down arrow, you can click on it and you can filter. So let's just say we want only February and maybe April. Just like that, your pivot table recognizes that. It's filtered. You can tell it's filtered because of the little filter icon. We can also come up and do the column labels as well. And there you go. So that's what you can do within the pivot table. If you come over here to the layout, you notice that I was filtering the rows and the columns. But we also have a little section here that's called filters itself. So if we go up, we can see it at the very top. Right now it's filtered to all. So if everything is selected, it will always say all. You can filter to a single item. And notice it says used vehicle. You can filter to multiple items as well. So if I check that box, I can check two things here. There. Now I want you to notice something here. This is called multiple items, and the problem with this is that you're really trying to build some of these pivot tables for the end user, and you want to, yes, it's okay if they interact with it, but sometimes you don't want to have to explain how to use all these filters. It'd be nicer if it would actually say, yes, I've checked both used vehicles and personal loans. Well, Excel came out with a feature to fix that. It's called the slicer. So there's many ways of getting to the slicer. It's up in your ribbon here in the filter section. There's insert slicer there. You can also come over to the pivot table field section. And for example, if we want type, we could right click and add as a slicer. We'll go ahead and do it that way. And notice what happens. So this filter, this slicer is equivalent, will show you exactly what you had over here. So we can actually remove, over here in the layout, remove the filter from here and allow this slicer to do all the filtering for us. Now when the person opens up the pivot table, they can quickly see all of the loan types that you have filtered to. Okay. If you want to select, you just hold down the control key. You can do that, or you can click and hold your mouse and do it that way as well. A couple other things I want to show you here. So you do have some options when you click on the filter button. You can sort. You can also, well, obviously clear the filter. And there are some date filters. So you could say, I only want things for this month. And then every time you refresh your report, it will know. So there's a lot of neat little tricks you can play. Anyways, that should be good enough for you to get started with your pivot table adventure. Hopefully you found this video of value, and we will see you the next time. Thanks. Hey guys, I just wanted to add a few other things here before I let you go. On the filters, or the slicers, there's actually a slicer tool area up here in your ribbon. If you click on options, there's a lot of really cool things you can do here. You can change the color. Like that. You also have the ability to, if you come over here to buttons, if you want to change your columns to more than just one column, come over here and see how that works, which looks kind of nice. Make it the number of columns that help you fit all your items on here, and also tailor it to look very well with your dashboard. You can do that as well. I also wanted to show you that if you right click and you come down here to slicer settings, I'll pull this up here. If you really want to make your pivot table or your slicer interactive, right here this says type, but this doesn't help anybody. So what you would like to do is come here to the header where it says display header. To make it interactive, you could say choose loan type. something like that. Click OK. And now the person that's using your dashboard knows that they have to come in here and choose it. So look, makes it a little bit nicer for the end user and a little bit more interactive. Again, thanks for watching. We'll see you the next time.